everybody, this is Max and Timka. It's northwest part of Russia. It's a really sunny day. It's May, but it's only +6 Celsius and it's windy. Today we're gonna cook some tasty food on fire and we want to try our new stuff. We have a new sleeping bag, we have a new tent. We couldn't test the sleeping bag in the winter, but it's +6 only now, so I think it will be quite good to test right now. And the tent is really interesting. Each season gives us a unique sense of nature. In winter it's solitude, it's silence. In spring it's birds which are coming way back home. In summer it's smell of this awakening and of this new life and the sun. And in autumn it's silence, I believe. So just know your season or go in any weather at any season and you feel the whole spectrum of this feeling which will be right for you.
А батончики взяли?
Взяли.
Хочу батончик! Только батончик без пива. Вам надо. Не туда. Вот, выход пустыни. Я хочу уже с вами.
Пойдем. Well, that's it, guys. It's Ladogh Lake. It's really beautiful here. The wind is quite strong, as I said. When I was trying to get closer to the beach, my legs got drowned by the sand. Now they completely wet. My both legs are wet. So you have to be careful near the water. It's not dangerous, but it's not obvious when you land with your 2 feet. I was jumping over the water. My legs got to the water by the ankles. So that's it. Well guys, it's a really good spot for us to set a tent. It's relatively flat and we can make a fire somewhere on the sand. Well guys, our tent is now ready. It's really spacious tent, it's huge. There is so much space in there. Before this tent we had an MSR Hubba NX2 and this tent is much larger. And to set up this tent you need a lot of flat ground. And where is the sand? It's not quite easy because of these bags. I think that they are too small. You need to have larger ones. I decided to use all the guidelines to get the most tension for this tent. I hope I made this right with these O-rings. So we'll see how it will behave in the strong winds. Not today of course, but I'm just testing everything to see how everything works. And also, as I said, we're gonna test our double sleeping bag. It's winter sleeping bag, it's really huge, right for this tent. Well guys, our thermales are ready. We are always using our pump to inflate the pads. So it's really convenient to use the pump. So here's our new sleeping bag.
Покажи свое видео. И сегодня у нас тент-палатка. Новая тент-палатка. Тент-палатка! Он уже слишком разгорелся. Помнит, почему не пишет.
Сейчас нам. Нужно проверить.
И вот они уплыли. Змея, которая была огромная, она съем мой детский сад.
Вкусно. Ты мог попробовать мясо?
Здесь она с одной стороны горячая очень, а с другой стороны прохладная.
Вот здесь
Ну вот потрогай сам. Видишь, горячо.
горячая.
На кусочек мяса.
It's really strong wind picked up just a few minutes ago. It was really meditative here just for 15 minutes and now it's really strong wind. I don't know how strong it is, but it's not very good to stay around the water. So we are going uphill where our tent is set up to have a really nice and cozy evening in our new tent. We're going to sleep right now. It's really windy and it's really cold. So we are really glad that we take our down sleeping bags. See you in the morning. Bye bye. Очень серая. Дождя нет.
Вот так все.
Это последние дольки, 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 дольки.
Well guys, everything is packed. We have tested our new tent, we have tested our new sleeping bag. We did everything that we planned. It was really cool to be outdoors. I hope you like this video. Have a great day and bye bye.
Бай-бай.
Ты шарта?
А ты